Okay, so I had another viewer question about Sunhemp, and first of all, can you grow it in a multi-species mix in Northern Australia?
Well, my understanding it is a tropical legume, which is more favoured in the tropical areas, so it's probably likely to grow better. So we're down here on the, what latitude are we? 23 degrees or something, and rarely get a pod, or lots of flowers obviously, but it doesn't keep any pods. But it still grows really well. Once it gets to this stage, it gets quite stringy, hempy, obviously. But yeah, the sheep still seem to love it, especially when it's younger.
So it seems very on trend, like a bit of a buzzy kind of seed. Is that because it grows in summer?
Well,
and traditionally other legumes are winter.
Well, the key to building soil nitrogen is building organic matter and using legumes, and this does both. So the bigger the biomass, the healthier and greener and more carbon it's pumping in the soil, the more carbon it's fixing. And some of that carbon is being used by the rhizobia, the bacteria, rhizobia bacteria, which are fixing atmospheric nitrogen. So not only are you building organic matter, you're actually also building nitrogen.
Okay.
So here's one I prepared earlier.
You're coming in, Fo. Okay, I've got the soil. Go for it, Stig.
So you can see, yeah, look at there's quite a bit of, and this was actually...
So that's the root, so it's got a very big root mass.
Yeah, good big taproot drives down.
But also a lot of fibrous roots too, lateral roots. And see, on that one we pulled out in the other paddock, there was really only nodules close to the main stem.
That's a good point, yeah.
And whereas these, look how far and wide they are.
Yeah, so the nitrogen fixing is further away from the main stem.
Well, it's just more of it. It just means that there's a lot more of it.
I don't know whether you can see that, but it's nice and pink inside the nodule. So that's a nice, healthy, nodulating...
Look at you, your hand models.
And you can see that's another evidence of a bit of a plough pan in here, because that's where it came out at.
Yeah.
But this stuff is breaking through it. Look how well it's... See, remember that and that was a Nagura bird. No, it wasn't. It was a castor oil I pulled out, which is a big tap-rooted plant. It couldn't get straight through, whereas this one's gone straight through, plus pushed out. Well, in there's 1, 2, 3, there's be a dozen good laterals that I've pulled up, plus all the ones that broke off. Same thing when these die in the ground, which they will do as part of the growth and regrowth of the plant. They've got a higher carbon to nitrogen ratio, so the next plant that goes through there will get access. Will find something that's once that's mineralised and broken down again.
Yeah.
But that's that's helping to crack open that
plough pan.
See, look at all those ones in there.
Yeah.
Lots of them. Like they're little cities of bacteria.
Love it. Love it.
See the smooth. Same thing, plough pan.